One of the many reasons that I love Fusion Mineral Paint is the easy touch-up. So I've got this chair that I am getting ready to use in a staging project, and it's got a few little black marks on it, a few little scratches. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to touch up with this paint. So that is how easy it is to touch up with Fusion Mineral Paint. Now, if I just had a few little scratches or nicks that I needed to touch up, I would have just dipped my finger in the lid and rubbed over the scratch, and that would have covered it up. And I'm just going to keep this jar in case I need to do some more touch-ups later. If you're interested in a professional DIY's paint, then you can get in touch with me and I will hook you up with this fabulous product.